Friends, listen to this story carefully. It might change the way you see life. There was a boy named Rohan. He lived in a small village and always dreamed of achieving something big. But he often thought life is so hard. Nothing good ever happens to me. Because of these thoughts, he rarely tried anything new and would give up easily whenever he faced a challenge. In the same village lived an elderly teacher, Guru Arvind, known for his wisdom and positivity. One day, Rohan approached him and said, Guru, I try my best, but nothing ever works out. Maybe I am just unlucky. Guru Arvind smiled and handed Rohan a glass of water with a pinch of salt. Drink this, he said. Rohan took a sip and immediately made a face. It's too salty, he exclaimed. The teacher then took him to a nearby lake, added the same pinch of salt to the lake, and asked him to drink again. This time the water tasted fresh and pleasant. Guru Arvind explained, the salt represents the problem in life. The difference is not in the salt, it's in the size of your mind. When you think negatively, your mind feels small and problems seem unbearable. But when you think positively, your mind expands, and even big problems seem manageable compared to your hope. Rohan thought deeply about these words. From that day, he decided to replace every negative thought with a positive one. When he failed, instead of saying, I cannot do this, he said, I will try again. When things didn't go as planned, he told to himself, maybe something better is on the way. Months passed and Rohan's life began to change. His positivity gave him the courage to apply for a scholarship he once thought was impossible for him to achieve. Not only did he get it, but he also topped his class that year. People started noticing his confidence and energy. Years later, Rohan became a successful entrepreneur. When asked about his secret, he said, it's simple. Positive thinking doesn't mean ignoring problems. It means believing there is always a solution, even if you cannot see it yet. Friends, this story teaches us that the way we think shapes our future. Negative thoughts close the door to success, but positive thinking opens it wide. Life will always have challenges, but if we face them with hope and determination, no problem is too big. So, stop telling yourself, I cannot. Start telling yourself, I can. Always believe in the power of positive thinking.